Davon Pats from the corner. Kapos grabs his own miss. Pats linabas dito kay Nuno Noah. Pollock for three. Robert Pollock! The first three-point bomb for what many people are calling
7 a game. Kaya pagka pumenetrate ka dyan, medyo aasahan mo ng masakit ang katawan mo kinabukasan.
Pats binigay dito kay Pollock. The green light to shoot. Second triple of the season for Robert Pollock.
Tula ka doon si JP Mocon. Ito, yung ball movement again ng San Beda. Pansinin mo, Anton, for
Pwede rin siya pumasok sa loob. Davon Pats, the unselfishness, finding. At nagpakita na nga ng lakas itong San Sebastian. Hindi basta-basta bumibigay dito sa physical na laro ng mga bedista. Pollock laying it up and in off the kanilang unang laban. Coach Hammer, as we see this Vivo perfect shot, perfect selfie, kissing it off the glass. Robert Pollock is red.
netong San Sebastian Golden Star.
Pollock, fresh off the bench, but he's playing with 4 personal fouls. Pollock for 3, nothing but net for Robert Pollock. A Vivo perfect shot, perfect selfie mula kay Robert Pollock. Pinabagalan ang pagbaba ng bola. Pollock humihingi ng screen. Binigay sa kanya ni Baggio. Pollock lumusot sa depensa. Robert Pollock! The King Lion is roaring loudly on opening day. Pinabagalan ang pagbaba ng bola. Pollock humihingi ng screen. Binigay sa kanya ni Baggio. Pollock lumusot sa depensa. Robert Pollock! The King Lion is roaring loudly on opening day. One more time. Ang pambato ng Ormoc City, Robert Pollock. The King Lion at work. At namang